What's up, dudes? I'm the Reviews Dude, and I'm a tech channel, but I thought I'd show you what came in the mail. I got the Kyrie 2s. Take a little look around it. Y'all know Kyrie Irving got 30 points last night. Kind of good timing for that. For those who don't know, I do like playing basketball. Look at the strap. What I really like about this is the extra grip that it has around the edges. Doing like crossovers, doing a lot of cutting. You still have full traction on the floor. I personally picked these shoes because it fits my game well. Guys, let me know, what's your favorite sneaker?